Creating 3D animated stories is now easy with AI. In today's video, we will go through all the steps in animation from the scripts, voiceovers, and finally putting it all together. I will also teach you how to create talking animations.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all?
Everything you will learn in this video is absolutely free. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments section below. Let's begin. So we will start by asking ChatGPT for video ideas by using this prompt. Give me popular kids stories I could make a video about. I have listed the prompts in the description of this video, so now ChatGPT will list video ideas that we can use. Choose the one that you like. For this tutorial, we'll choose the one about Snow White and the dwarfs. The next step is writing our script. We will again ask ChatGPT for this prompt, generate a short narration story about Snow White and the 7 dwarfs, and each scene should be about 4 seconds. Also give me 2 prompts for each scene to generate videos. You can see it has given us exactly what we told it to do, both the prompts and the story voiceover. Now we will go to the next step, which is generating a voice for our narrator. For the voiceover, we will be using TTS Maker, which has a wide range of languages and voices all for free. So go back to ChatGPT and tell it to regenerate the story without the prompts and labels. That will make it easy for us to generate a voiceover for our script. You can see it has given us only the story. So copy it and go to TTS Maker, select a language and a voice, paste the story, enter the CAPTCHA code, and then click Convert to Speech. Listen to it, and if you are satisfied, download it. Then we move to the next step, which is our images and animations. So for 3D animations, we will be using Hyper AI. Hyper AI is a mind-blowing AI video generation tool, which is completely free. These are some of the generations. It can create videos from prompts or still images. So go back to ChatGPT and copy the first prompt and go back to Hyper AI. Click on Create Video with Text, paste your prompt, select the duration and aspect ratio, add 3D animation and the animation style to the prompt. After, click Create. After some 2 to 3 minutes, our video will be generated. If you are getting value from this video, please kindly smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. Now let's get back to the tutorial. As you can see, it is pretty good. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the second prompt and repeat the process. Keep doing this over and over until all the videos are generated. Remember to always include 3D animation and Disney inspired to get the best results, or else it will give you realistic videos, and that is not our aim. Not all videos created with Hyper AI are going to be good. Hyper AI is still in beta, which means this is not the final app. Hyper AI currently does not have consistent characters, so you need to be specific in describing your prompts. Always indicate the gender, the hair color, or the outfit depending on the video you're making. For example, Snow White has long black hair, but AI doesn't know that. So you need to tell it by writing Snow White with long black hair. You also need to be creative. ChatGPT may not give you prompts for all the scenes, so for some scenes you need to write your own prompts. After repeating the process over and over again, these are the generations. And now we move to our next step, which is making our animations talk. Now we have all the scenes ready, but we will need to add some talking animations. Log into Canva. On the menu, click on Videos, click on Apps, and search for Lalamoo. Click on Upload Video and upload your video. You can either upload your audio or type in your text. You can preview the voice, and if you are happy with it, click Generate Lip Sync Video. This is the video. If you like it, you can download it. Our next step is to compile and edit our videos. Go to the CapCut desktop app and upload the voiceover, drag it to the timeline since it will guide us. After, add the videos according to the story and preview them. Edit them accordingly with your voiceover. Add your transitions. Now, we need copyright-free background music, so go to Pixabay Music and search for a track that goes well with your animated story. Then upload it to CapCut and add it to the video. Reduce the volume so it doesn't overpower your voiceover once you are satisfied with the results. Click Export and make sure it is in 4K for the best quality, and now your video is ready to be shared with your audience.
Once upon a time, a beautiful princess named Snow White lived with her wicked stepmother. The stepmother asked her magic mirror,
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all?
The mirror replied,
Snow White is the fairest of them all.
Filled with jealousy, the stepmother ordered a huntsman to take Snow White into the forest and kill her. But the kind huntsman couldn't do it. He let Snow White go and told her to run away. Snow White ran through the dark forest until she found a small cottage. Inside, she found 7 little beds. She lay down and fell asleep. The 7 dwarfs returned home and found Snow White asleep. Snow White and the dwarfs became good friends, and she lived happily with them. The wicked stepmother found out and gave Snow White a poisoned apple.
Good luck with your creation journey. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Thank you for watching.